Hi guys, this is Ayub Khan and I'm here with a new bike. This is a folding bike and very rare and smallest bike of India with number registration, and this is going to be a bike lounge. See the bike. This is the Blasi R2 1978 model. It's a folding bike and you can say it's a very small bike with a folding frame and it's absolutely running condition. Two-stroke automatic, made in Italy, 1978 model. Absolutely original factory condition. It's a very rare folding machine. Italian. The size of tire is 5-inch. Two-stroke automatic, and you can see lots of other things. Very tiny carburetor, small engine with maximum power. Absolutely authentic and original each and every part. Let's have the firing. Let's see the firing. See the engine, it's a very good condition, absolutely running condition. Now we'll see how to fold it. We'll show you. Switch off the petrol tap. Switch off the engine. We'll see you how to fold it. Come, have a look. This is the tiniest bike. Please subscribe and like.